Hey, listen, I'm trying to tell you, these drinks are going to get crazier and crazier over the summer. But if you're not following us, that's just on you. It's okay. It's okay. You don't have to. But at least hit that like button, okay? Because I got something special for you. And this one is completely crazy because I tasted it after she made it for me. And I was like, what is wrong with you? And she was like, what do you mean? And I was like, what the heck did you put in this drink? And she told me, and I was like, oh my God, did you make a video? She was like, yeah. I was like, okay, let's dive right into it. On today's episode, we're gonna be doing a strawberry banana dirty Dr. Pepper, okay? Now listen to me, you gotta keep up. We're gonna be doing 1 ounce of cream banana. Don't overdo it with the banana, okay? That one is a little bit stronger than the other ones, and it will stand out too much if you do too much of it, okay? Then we're gonna be doing 1.5 ounce of the strawberry into the creamer, and in our creamer, we use half and half. And then don't forget, you put about a whole can of a nice cold Dr. Pepper. And you want that strawberry creamer to stand out, so you want to give it about a good 10 to 15 seconds of a good froth, okay? Now look at this. Look how beautiful it sits on top of that Dr. Pepper. It almost looks like a coffee drink, but it's not, okay? This is something else exclusive. As she gives it that signature Brew Crew cup spin, you got yourself a masterpiece, guys. Look at that.